So hello YouTube, welcome back to Ifast Tech. Today I'm going to share with you guys the story how actually I built a Carrom board during this lockdown. Basically, during this lockdown, actually the demand for indoor games, especially Carrom boards, was so high. Even I couldn't find a single board in the local stores in my town. So I ordered a Carrom board as many other people from website, and after waiting for long 1 month, I got a call from customer care that saying I have to wait for one more month to get this Carrom board. So I decided to build my own Carrom board and started the work. Actually, I've used glass as surface for the board, and used wood for borders, and some printouts, some paints, and obviously a lot of efforts. So let's have a look at my work, how I did this, and please comment below if you liked it.